I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Noon so you can access the exact order. Once signed in, go straight to Orders and open the specific order details. This is essential because Noon only allows address edits before shipping. Make sure the status reads something like Processing or Preparing. If it reads Shipped, you cannot edit. Next, tap Edit Address or change delivery details. This first action unlocks the flow that Noon recognizes as the only valid way to update delivery location. Now you enter the new address, carefully filling mandatory fields: recipient name, phone, building, street, and a clear landmark. Why? Noon's couriers rely on landmarks for last-mile delivery. Once filled, use precise delivery notes, floor, buzzer, gate code, because these override vague directions. After that, save the address. If Noon prompts you to set it for this order only, choose that to avoid changing default account settings. Once saved, review the updated address on the order summary to confirm. Finish by confirming the updated delivery address on the order summary and tapping Save or Confirm so Noon registers the change. If the app rejects the edit, act fast. Open the in-app chat or call support, provide the order ID and a screenshot, and request manual intervention before the warehouse processes shipment. If support cannot help because the order already shipped, prepare a redirection plan with the courier. Remember, timely confirmation and clear notes are the only reliable way to ensure Noon delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.